Did you put the dill ones back?
Jamie.
You need some help?
And do you want any cheese? Okay.
He's got lots.
Sprinkles on top. No way, that part is juicy.
Okay.
He doesn't like Parmigiano Reggiano.
Well, I think it was a different kind.
No.
You like that one?
That one I like.
Mm-hmm.
Is it